Speaking of bioengineered solutions, Michael, you want to talk about what are some of those examples?
Yeah, so Cristiano sort of led it right into it. Bioengineered solutions combine natural biodegradable materials and you apply it in an engineering way. And Cristiano had mentioned vegetation. What I like to use a little bit, or we like to recommend on some of our projects, are live staking or straw wattles. Live staking is different than straw wattles. Straw wattles are non-living organisms. They basically are placed on the creek bank and are there to help control drainage. Live staking, however, will actually be planted, and it helps in the interim with reducing erosion, but it also will have a root system that eventually catches on and will allow it to stay improve bank stability while also improving habitat for the creek bank.
Yeah, I like to go a little bit more in depth into that and find out what's the typical lifespan of bioengineered solutions compared to ridge solutions such as culverts, retaining walls, and rock slope protection.
Yeah, so bioengineered solutions, it really depends on where you place them and what kind of creek you're dealing with. There's high energy creeks that really won't allow much vegetation to grab hold, like I'd previously mentioned live stakes. They need some time to grab hold. But something with a high energy creek, you may have some bioengineered solutions that last maybe 2 to 5 years. It also depends on how many storms occur. And as I mentioned, the energy of the creek or the water flowing through the creek. And but if you have some low energy creeks, meandering rivers, creeks like that, you may be able to see a bioengineered solution last up to 10 years. It'll still definitely degrade over that 10 years, but if you have a living organism like a live stake, it may just hold and just improve again the creek embankment. Now for culverts and retaining walls, if you're going to go with something like that, we call it a gray solution versus a green solution. That will probably last up to 30, 20 plus years if it's installed and constructed correctly.